So the owner of this 1990 Chevy 454 SS wants us to upgrade his lighting to that bright white high-tech look that you see on today's high-performance and luxury vehicles. And we're gonna do it with Philips Ultinon LEDs, which we picked up at Federated Auto Parts. Now, this is a new LED product offering from Philips, and these LEDs are a direct replacement for incandescent bulbs. And get this, they're guaranteed up to 8 years. Ultinon LEDs deliver incredible performance and style with a choice of cool blue, intense red, intense amber, or the 600K bright white. So why go LED? Question should be, why not? First of all, you get an instant on versus the conventional bulbs where the filament actually needs time to light up. Now hold on, you're telling me that light needs time to light up? Makes no sense, right? Well, replacing incandescent bulbs with LEDs also removes that yellow color and provides a sharp, brighter look. Exterior red and amber LEDs actually match the lens color, providing a brighter output and light intensity. And the cool blue is good for glove boxes and interior floor lights. And finally, the safe beam technology in this extreme Ultinon LED fog lamp is designed to eliminate glare to oncoming drivers. All Philips LED applications are a direct replacement for the standard incandescent bulbs, making this job an easy one.